2003 Ford Lightning. Really beautiful truck. Still got the factory 4 converters on a Lightning. That's crazy. Factory, they come with 4. Then they are true dualed, and he wanted it louder. It was way too quiet. So we went and put on a MagnaFlow 14-inch body muffler right there. Reused his tailpipes and put in some new tips right there. Some 3-inch angle cut tips. Came out really nice, really clean. There's the MagnaFlow right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. It's an 11-inch body MagnaFlow. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description to purchase it.
2004 Dodge Ram SRT-10. It has the Viper V10 engine in it. Well, all we did on it, it's got headers on it. All we did was install some new high flow catalytic converters. And he has a aftermarket MagnaFlow system on there. These look like 14-inch body MagnaFlows. And they come up like this, sort of on top of each other. Those aren't resonators, I think they're just heat shields. And it comes into dual tips. Beautiful truck. There's the Viper SRT-10. You don't see these often. We didn't do this work here, the MagnaFlows, but still wanted to videotape it. And there you are. There's the caps we put on. And there's the long tube headers all the way up there. Tell us what you guys think.
Go ahead and back it up. Nice thing about MagnaFlow, it's not too loud. Just a really nice tone. Ford Lightning. There's the old muffler that came off of it. You guys like it?
Oh yeah. That's a beautiful sound. Gorgeous truck. There's an idle. Oh, I love that crackle. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Engine. Pop the hood. We're gonna pop the hood on it. There's the engine bay. All 10 cylinders. Beautiful V10. Look at all the headers. You know the header? Yeah, yeah.
This is able so they can fit it in there. Show them the other part. Beautiful color. That's a beautiful truck all the way around. Let him see the inside. Take him from the inside.